There have been quite a few requests about the Racer 3, and we get it. We've always wanted the community to have their hands on a DRL rig, but the Racer in its form that we use for the fleet wouldn't be useful. Today, we are announcing the public version of Racer 4. We call it Racer4 Street.
3, 2, 1.
Racer4 Street!
We've spliced the DNA between our Fleet Series drone and the community. The DRL Racer4 Street is a version for everyone. You'll be able to fly it, crash it, and rebuild it quickly. This is the first ever DRL drone for sale, and we intend to design and build this in front of our supporters. Every decision from flight control to motor control, we'll post our successes and failures. We're excited to take this journey with you. Support our campaign to get your own today.
What up, Kickstarter?
What is this?
Racer4